Here are 5 reasons a stock market crash in 2022 is BS. Reason number 1, the definition of a crash. A crash is defined as a sudden dramatic decline in prices across the stock market. What this market is a prolonged bear market in a well-defined downtrend. Reason number 2 is what would be the reason to cause panic selling and that sharp decline in prices. Could it be geopolitical risks like war? We already got that. Could it be new COVID shutdowns? Well, we already got that too in China. Could it be inflation that we haven't seen in 50 years? Yep, got that too. What I'm trying to say is that so many negatives have already been introduced to the market. Outside of a credit crisis, which is possible, but I'm not predicting with any high levels of probability, there's just not much in my personal opinion that could cause that panic selling to cause a crash. Reason number 3 is Q3 earnings. So far, we're off to a good start for the quarter. Major banks like JP Morgan and Bank of America are up 17% in a week following their earnings report. Yesterday, Netflix and United Airlines had solid reports and those stocks are rallying. Bottom line, the true impacts of the Fed tightening cycle have not worked their way into the real economy just yet. I personally don't think we're going to see the true effects until 2023. Number 4 are the technicals and the overall pattern of the market. This market could easily see the same run up that we had last quarter. We've set new lows, we bounced off of them, and there's still upside until we hit the upper limit of the downtrend and the 200-day moving average. We could easily see the S&P 500 at 4,000 or slightly higher while still trading in the overall downtrend. It's completely normal for the market not to just fall straight down and to see these rallies during the overall sell-off. Reason number 5 is high short interest. Short positions can be easily scared, and the data shows that there's a lot of short interest right now in the overall market. That means that most people are leveraged to the downside. And that makes sense because let's face it, most people are bearish on the market right now. High short interest is usually a contrarian signal. When short interest is high, that typically means that sellers already sold. So any good news that introduces new buyers will allow the buyers to move the stock up without having to deal with sellers. This allows them to move the stock up freely, which then results in a short covering, which moves the stock up even more. It is my opinion that we continue to trade on this downtrend. I do not think we have set the lows just yet, but it's completely realistic to think that we could get a bounce here. And I doubt we get a stock market crash like a lot of people are calling for. I think we just have this bear market continue for much longer than people think. This market is extremely volatile. Volatility equals opportunity. In the past 2 months, we have over 10 trades that have been multi-baggers, posting over 200% returns. Here are some examples. All were posted on the private Discord server, which you get access to the Patreon. A link is in the bio. Outside of that, let me know your overall thoughts on the market, and I'll see you on the next video.